Living things grow and develop. They reproduce. They are organized. Energy is processed. They respond to stimuli. Cells form organisms.
This incredible variety of life is called biodiversity.
Taxonomy is the science of identification, naming, and classification. Organisms automatically arrange themselves into categories.
This solves communication problems. It explains genus and species.
Every organism receives exactly 2 words. This is called binomial nomenclature. The first name is the genus. The second name is the species. This system is used worldwide.
Higher levels contain increasing numbers of related organisms. From species to kingdom, life is connected. From the dawn of time, life began with growth. Variety spread across vast ecosystems. Scientists identify and name each species,